Welcome back to the second session of the chapter sets. Today we will solve the exercise 1.1 of the chapter. If you want to watch the session on the basics of sets, the link is in the I button. So let's start. In question 1, you have been asked to identify the sets and also give justification for your answers. So basically you have to make sure that it is a well-defined collection or not. The months beginning with the letter J are January, June and July. If we take any month of the year, can we decide whether it belongs to this collection or not? Yes, we can. So this is definitely a set. In the second one, we have to make a collection of 10 most talented writers of India. What do you think about this? There are thousands of talented writers from past to present, and we can't clearly decide whether a particular writer can be included in the list or not. So it is not a well-defined collection. Similarly, a team of 11 best batsmen is not fixed. So this is also not a set. What can you say about the remaining sets? Take 2 minutes and decide. As you may have noticed, all the remaining collections are well defined except the last one. You can make a list of all the boys in your class without any doubt. We can tell clearly that 70 belongs to this collection, whereas 500 does not. We can list the novels written by Munshi Premchand. We know that even integers are 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. And we can definitely tell which questions are there in this chapter. So all the answers are clear to you? The second question is an easy one. You just have to put the symbols in the right place. You all know that epsilon stands for belongs to. So quickly complete it and match the answers with mine. Now let's start question 3. Here we have to convert the set builder form to roster form. In the first part, we have to write all the integers between -3 and 7. So in roster form, we can write this. Similarly, the members of the set B are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the third part, x is a 2-digit number and the sum of the digits should be 8. So we will consider all the pairs which are making sum 8. And we have. Now can you list the prime numbers which divide 60? They are 2, 3 and 5. I think you can easily solve the next two. Now on to the fourth question, where we have to convert the roster form into set builder form. You have to carefully observe the common property which is present in all the elements of the given set. So what common property do you find in the first one? Yes, they are all divisible by 3. So we can write them in the form 3n. What will be the value of n? It will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can express this set as set of all x such that x is equal to 3n, n belongs to n, and 1 is less than equal to n is less than equal to 4. As discussed earlier, we can write various different forms of set builder form. So I can also write it as set of all x such that x belongs to n is a multiple of 3 and 2 less than x less than 13. Now let's observe the next one. These are not clearly multiples of 2. 4 can be written as 2 raised to power 2. 8 as 2 raised to power 3. Similarly, 16 is 2 raised to power 4. 32 is 2 raised to power 5. So did you get it? They all are powers of 2. So B is the set of all x such that x is equal to 2 raised to power n, where n is a natural number less than 6. Now try the next 3 parts, then we will discuss the answers. If you have completed, then cross-check the various answers. Children, don't worry if your answer is little different from mine, but you have to be sure that if you convert your answer into roster form, you are getting the same given elements. This is an easy way to cross-check your answer. In question 5, listing the elements actually means that we have to write it in roster form. As it is similar to question 3, I want you to complete it yourself. So quickly complete it. I hope you got the correct answers. I will discuss few of them which are typical. In second part, we have to list the integers between -1/2 and 9/2. -1/2 is equal to -0.5 and 9/2 is equal to 4.5. So the members of this set will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. You may also take help of number line to solve this question. In the third part, we have to write the integers whose square is less than or equal to 4. 2 square is 4 and -2 square is also 4. So the members will be -2, 0, 1 and 2. If you have any queries related to any other part, you can ask in the comment box. Now match the following statements quickly. Have you got this? Good. So children, this finishes the exercise. We will meet again soon with another session on sets. If you have any queries, please leave your question in the comment box. Take care and goodbye.